Lower half, okay? Letter C. You're gonna make C's.
Just the lower half?
Yeah, just the lower half. Then you just wanted to cut the small little popping out hair. How long is barber school?
Hello and good morning everyone! Welcome to Nat and Max Barbershop.
Hi guys! Today is the day. With all this quarantine stuff going on, you guys pretty much know that all the barbershops, all the salons are closed, all the personal services. So, that being said, it's been quite a while since I got my last haircut. It's been 2 months now.
If you guys remember, around February, Nat had his haircut in this luxurious salon.
It's getting pretty jungly up there.
So today, we're going to deal with this. All of this. We have come to this point. We did some preparation. We don't have a clipper, but we have a trimmer.
And for substitute for the spray bottle, since we don't have a spray bottle for the water, to keep everything moist, we are going to be using a travel size spray, which Max uses for her succulents.
Are you ready?
Alright, let's do this. This looks like what you use in Captain's Boil if you get some shrimp. I'm ready to eat.
So first we put the cake, then we clip your hair.
No! You put water on it first. Make sure it's moist, then you put the clip.
Do you need to wet your hair first? This is my new succulent. Is that good? Ay! Oops! You had so much hair! Okay. What's next?
Is it not too late to back out?
Then, we're going to clip your hair.
You wanna carve from this point to the top and clip it. So make sure you're only gonna razor the sides. Yeah.
To wet it.
You wanna do the right side too, because you're gonna be clipping up.
I think we need 2 clips for your hair. One here, then one on the other side. Is this what you look like in a barbershop? Like that. How do you look? I had to use 4 clips and a ponytail for Nat's hair. It's too thick. So to make it even, I have to use a comb and spray it with water. Are you ready?
So I think we're gonna be starting with a 4, just to make sure.
Is this the 4?
No! That's the 2! This is the 4.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Wait, I am ready.
Look at the hair.
Is it making any difference?
A lot of difference. Make sure not to chop your ear off.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, that looks okay.
We're in the right track. You have so much hair. Goodbye, hair. You have so much hair.
Make sure you conserve the battery of the razor. If that goes out, I'll have to wait 3 more hours just to get it full charge again.
Oh.
We don't have a wired razor. It's just a battery powered.
We need to cut the one in your ear. Now we go to the back part. I'm sorry, hair. Don't look down. Look straight.
Do you need more water?
Yes. Water. The client is also the assistant.
This is how your succulents feel.
They feel cared for and loved.
Or like drowning.
So much hair. You just need to trim this one, right?
Is it even?
What is this? We need to
What's
chop
this?
this.
What's this?
I told you we're going back there. One layer down.
I actually never thought that this quarantine is gonna come to a point like this. I've never done this in my life. I've always gone to a barber or in a salon.
For the lower half, we're going to number 2 now, and later on, we're going to even it out with number 3. Sounds good. How are we doing so far?
I think it looks okay. It looks pretty good, actually.
With free facial.
Every time you spray it, I feel like I'm drowning. Lower half, okay? Letter C. You're gonna make C's.
Just the lower half?
Yeah, just the lower half. So you're gonna imagine 2 inches here and 3 inches at the back. And you're gonna make a C, small C's, okay?
Alright. I'm getting good at this.
This could be our next business venture. How long is barber school?
Okay, I think I did a good job.
Did you? How do I know?
So now we are on level 3 to even everything out. Are you ready?
So you're gonna make bigger C's. So you did small C's during number 2. This is a bigger C, so it'll even out the number 4 that you did earlier, okay?
Okay. Do you want me to put some fancy lines around here?
What? What fancy line? No! Just stick to the regular!
I think it's all good now. Okay, have a look.
You haven't done this side.
Oh, really? I thought I did it. Here. Yeah, looks good.
Is it even? Is it even?
I think it's even. Okay, what's next?
So, to clean things up, just to finish off, I think you should do the sides, the edges here, by removing
The
the
guard.
guard.
Are you ready to remove the guard?
Yeah, just go slow, okay? So we're gonna go to the edges and remove some of the unwanted hair. Now you gotta go through the edges here.
Is it just a straight line? And then this one will be straight?
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Your eye!
That was a bad idea.
It's your hair.
I gotta say, I already feel fresh. I feel like I lost maybe 2 pounds.
Yeah, looks good.
It's good? I think you just wanted to cut the small little popping out hair.
I'll use a comb.
Yeah, use a comb and one without the guard. I guess not much emphasis here. Just try your best because my hair goes this way anyway, so that'll be covered. Okay?
Perfecto!
Okay?
What's next? Let's chop this off.
No! We're only doing sides.
I think I did a good job.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. Look at that, so clean.
Are you going to hire me next month or after 2 weeks?
Well, that depends on the quarantine.
So before we do the final styling, we are going to deal with Nat's brows. With this. Nat has a unibrow.
Not that bad.
There's so much hair! This will hurt.
Is it done? I am gonna go clean up and I'll see you guys later for the final styling.
Final reveal! How do you like your haircut?
I feel so fresh. I feel like I lost maybe 2 pounds of hair. It's pretty
looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. You did a great job.
Yay! Are you going to hire me for after 2 weeks?
I'll leave it to the government of Canada. Oh, if they retain the band, maybe yes. Definitely putting some product definitely helps. And the top is a little too long now sometimes, but I can probably wait for that. The size is just what kills me. And now it's gone. It's all clean. That's gonna be it for this video, but definitely come back for the next vlog because it's gonna be Max's turn.
It's my my turn? You're going to cut my hair?
I'm not gonna be cutting her hair like what she did to my hair, but we are gonna be dyeing it. So definitely come back next vlog. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
And if you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you on our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye!